after all the drama between Ada, Chimarin Temple, Onowibo, and Odumeje, people have been on her case for her to apologize. And she said that she's not going to do that, that everybody is in the same business. And she openly asked people not to address her as Ada Lion. She said that instead of you to call her Ada Lion, it's better for you to call her Ada of Animals or Ada of Devil. Hi guys, you're watching Chiki series. I wish to welcome new and returning subscribers to this channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So based on the title of this video, what you're about to watch is an update as regards the issue between Ada Jesus, as she called herself, who is a comedian, Prophet Chukwemeka Odumeje, who is the general overseer of Holy Ghost Intervention Ministries in Onitsha, Onowu, and Chimarin Temple. If you can remember last week, a video surfaced online showing where Ada Jesus was being flogged by a group of boys, and they were asking her to go and apologize to Prophet Odumeje for making fun of him. And based on that video, people believe that it was Odumeje that sent his boys to flog her. But after everything, she came out to say that it was Chimarin Temple. However, Chimarin Temple, who is a native doctor based in Asaba, came out to openly deny that and even lay curses on Ada. If you want to see that, you keep watching this video till the end. I attached a clip of that. And she went further to accuse Onowibo of masterminding the attack, which he also denied vehemently. So people have been on Ada's neck for her to go and apologize to Odumeje. And she released this message on her Instagram page saying that for those threatening her to apologize to their father, that those people will wait till eternity, that she did nothing wrong, so she does not owe anybody any apology. And if those people disturb her life again with their threats, that she will have no other option than to sue them all. And she went further to write that, after all, na the same business we are all doing, make una leave me alone. So people have been wondering what kind of business do they do, and they've been asking her a series of questions on her Instagram feed for her to spill more, for them to understand the kind of business they've been into. And the first person asked, Ada Lion, which business? I know saying a scam una they do. Ada Lion, you don't cast law. And the next person also asked question in line of that business. What did you mean by na the same business we are all doing? What type of business you guys were doing? And the next guy went on to answer the question saying that it is the business of fake miracle. So from the replies I saw on the post, it seems like everybody is interested in knowing the kind of business they do. So I hope Ada would have gone further on this to elaborate more, to expatiate and say more about the business they do, because for her to come up with that post saying that everybody is in the same business, even me, I tire. So with this whole drama going on, she also went further to say that people should stop calling her Ada Lion, that it is even better for them to call her Ada of Animals or Ada of Devil, Ada Ikwensu, to calling her Ada Lion. This is the one that I don't even understand, because in the past she used to call herself Ada Lion, and she said that Odumeje is her father. So I don't really know what is happening now, what actually transpired between them. Actually, she said this while addressing Constant Comedy, another comedian in their own circle. She was warning him, telling him to stop addressing her as Ada Lion, that it's better for him to call her Ada Ekwensu or Ada of Animals than calling her Ada Lion. But how could someone in her right senses prefer to be called Ada of Devil or Ada of Animals? And the comedian also responded to her, but that clip I didn't attach it here. But what is so surprising to me is that Ada said that she will go to Chimarin Temple to get something to attack the comedian. I don't know whether she has apologized to Chimarin Temple for the accusation laid on him, or she was just talking for talking's sake. So guys, I will leave you to watch the video and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will sign off here. Stay healthy and safe, and remember to share this video with family and friends if you love it. And I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye.
Ya mbokwa mafo ya kpomo Ada Lion. Nshia one see Stanley. Akpoza mo Ada Lion. Achozi me na aza that name. Anwazikula wa kpoma Ada Lion. Obo na emola afọ ma akpọ. Gi make sure no gi kpoma anu ofia, mo gi kpoma Ada Anuman, mo gi kpoma Ada Ekwensu. I prefer mgu kpoma Ada Ekwensu than go kpoma Ada Lion. So Constant Comedy mo akine a threat. More Ada Jesus kine a threat. More Ada Jesus kine a threat. Constant Comedy makasi ngi akpoza ma Ada Lion. Ine threat me put na social media na threat kan wage. Okay, for this war is started. Or go on ibidoro now. Okay, end. If war is started now. Okay, end. Constant Comedy. and ihe ọzọ chere ịgwa gị wụ just gbaa chere m Ọkịmachi Marine Temple na Asaba msa ahụ kịta na aka nga na nke Eshi Marine Temple ka m jiri okie ngweri na ọchịcha jee na nke ewejere ya amanụ m ihe ndị dibịa riga jos maachọ ofu ihe m ga-ewejere ya nata ya ọchere na ọkịrị mgbawa isi sendara gị ya ama nata Chi Marine Temple ọkịrị mgbawa isi na achere sendara gị gbaa chere m
I have all right. I cannot tell somebody to come and kill you. What I will use to remove you is all right. I will curse you here. And nothing will happen because you try to open.
Yes.
And I don't have any business with you.
Yes.
And you made a video against me. Yes. And I'm Chimarita is a 419. That is the Facebook doctor. And I'm a thief. And I'm challenging your daddy in the Lord. Your daddy in the Lord, you are challenging your daddy in the Lord. You are insulting your daddy in the Lord. Am I the one that it is the God that is intervening?
Yes.
I intervene in the parliament, the man.
Yeah.
Because I never one day insulted the man.
Yes.
And the man never called my name.
Yes.
I have no business with the man.
Pure.
He's calling me darkness, it's light. Leave me in darkness now.
Yes.
Why must you accept? Why must you listen? People don't know. Let me show you where they called my name.
Yeah. You see. And if we were a man, or if he's looking at me, you see. You see. Or if he's looking at me, if he's looking at me, I have to that figure. If he's looking at me, if he's looking at me, I think I can't flag.
Yeah, Jogodo, I step Moju Quadanebe. Yamumbayale, not for years Yoku. I step Moju Quadanebe, Yamumbayale. Bulo Fue Wubia.
Yeah.
Manabayalema. Oto Conjotaro. Open the Median. I wrote the fucking Morocco. I don't for you.
You see?
But I'm not more of a lago set you up. I'll see boom camera. Let me die.
I don't know for.
What do you sense?
If he's looking at me, I have to that figure.
You lied against me. You want to bring me down out of nothing. I'm on the lay that man. More about that for Lago. Kids, I never kidnapping. He will never end in joy. He might end your for my. It is my neighbor kidnapping. More about ya. You get me malo na more about ya. I bet you will. You get me malo. Na more about ya for Lago. I bet you will. You will suffer. My gay, my supporter saying, my IPO you support to all of you will die. So I'm on the loan on man. Go and investigate your case very well, Mr. Man. Everybody, investigate very well. I'm on the line, man. Abu go on. Nke abu. Aka m okwu ma dịrị ya. Ọ bụrụ na mmadụ level agụ idea, no we can see mmadụ go and kidnap this girl or bury this girl or tear ife. Let my children suffer. Let my children suffer and let me die prematurely. I will never eat my labor if I have hand in her. But if I don't have hand in this girl and they try to bring me down, they will all suffer. Kafara bankata, ma nwanyi o, ma nwoke o, ma oya o, ma dia o, ma Anthony Moloko o, onye support ọda Jesus ga-ata afụfụ. You will suffer. You will suffer. Afụ ga-abụ nke yi. Ịma afụ ife ọma, ị ga-anwụchu ụzọ. Anyị nwere ọbụla ga-ebo ya ibu. Sua, amandala mma. To hell with.
The same thing bụkwa assassination of character. Otu a nnọọ kịta ka mmadụ na-ese m anya wee sị na mụ nwa plan ka ebulie na mụ na ndị nwa na ọ dị n'ọma na ọ dị sure. Apụtara m wee kwue wee sị nekwanụ my involvement with nwa n'ụbọchị mbụ. My involvement even ji wepụtata asị na nkwụsị ya taa na ma nkwụsị again. All the possible nti ya n'English ka onye ọbụla nwee ike wee nụ ya. I don't mind. I can speak English in order to clear myself and to prove my innocence. Ife butezi nke a bụ oge o ji wee banye Lion family mụ nwa amarọ nwere ife gbasara mụ nwa abụrụ oyi Lion. Ife nna alụ bụ comedy. Onwe ife mere na ya were ya mee comedy nke aha gaa. Etu a ka o si megide. Emere m maka odu. After ka m mechara ife Rochas. Emere m maka odu. Emere m ife odu. Odu akpọrọ na phone anyị sere okwu nwere onye na-esere mụ na mmadụ. Nya nwe bulu anya ụfịa abịa kedu ebe nna akpalụ dị man. Onwe ife gbasara gị hia. O megidekwa mkpọ ya sị ya ikwukwe maka Rochas agba akwa gị wọ nwekwe gbalụ gị wọ ka efi na-edistọbụrụ onwe gị rapụ n'odu ka mụ na ya kpebe ife dịle anyị ọkwa etu
Okay.